goodness.
Ta-da!
Oh, she's beautiful though. She's so beautiful.
Check with a cutthroat razor, and I would listen to Erasure. Yeah, I think I'll sail the 7 seas, because the sea is the place for me. I would shout land ahoy, cause I'm the sailor boy. I drink rum all night, cause I'm living the pirate life.
What are we having for breakfast, Edward?
We have a porridge.
And how do you feel about that today?
I don't know what to think. Because the first thing they did in the mornings is they drop all the oats in the floor.
Why did we drop the oats on the floor, Liz?
It was an accident, really.
And it was because we were so excited for Laura's porridge! Look what she did. Yeah.
It was an accident. Oh, it was an accident. I just turned around and next thing I know, everything went into slow motion. It was like...
Confetti.
And then it was like England in December, the amount of oats on the floor.
Or confetti porridge.
Confetti porridge.
Celebration.
And they put back all the porridge in the box.
Only the good parts.
Right.
We had to salvage some. We're not made of money, Edward. Do you think money just grows on trees? Huh?
Ouais. It's the hospital who is
But look what's happening.
the charity now.
Look what's happening. Laura's porridge, take 2.
This?
Thank God, because it's my last one.
Lovely.
See, we are saving the engine now.
What day is it today? It's porridge day, take 2. Edward, Laura's made it again.
The porridge is very good.
You've been briefed.
Wait. Do not turn this into dramatic.
The porridge is very good.
Right, Laura, I'm ready.
Okay, so I was equipped with the right tools.
Come on, Laura, don't be shy.
I'm going to make a makeshift table and a frying pan because I wouldn't want to burn this lovely oak. Feel free to get a close-up of that delicious, lovely, hearty breakfast. Which utensil shall I use?
Slop it in, Laura, slop it in.
I'm distressed, Laura. She started to be stressed. Look at her.
See, when a woman is equipped with the right oats, she can make magic happen. Edward, how about you tell us some facts about oats and why it's good to eat them?
I just wonder why we don't eat crepes today.
Because we eat crepes every day.
It's good because it's from the ground.
Right, let's do this.
It's bloody lovely. And what have you got in yours today, Liz?
I've got brown sugar and Tracy's. I wanted something simple. It's absolutely lovely. Very British.
Villa?
Oh! Edward likes to play up for the camera, but in your serious words...
It's very good.
What have you got in yours, Edward?
I did as Lizzie.
You guys are so cute!
I think porridge. Porridge is the comfort food of Britain. It makes you feel nice and cuddly. And when you're hungover, it's a full English breakfast, which no one can beat.
I put peanut butter in mine.
And honey.
And honey.
And chia seeds.
And chia seeds.
I can smell the peanut butter.
It's delicious.
Okay. The gasket is in place.
So, the gasket's now in place.
Yeah.
Thank goodness. And it's all about just putting things back where they were.
Yeah.
Where are you going, guys?
Going for a tour around the island.
And who's taking us on a tour?
Vibration.
Vibration. And look at his cool wheels.
There he is.
Da, 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 da. It's a good job we're really small people then, isn't it? Woohoo. S'il vous plaît.
We've got it.
Thank you so much.
No, this one is 20 and it's for you and you. This one each.
Thank you, sir.
How much more got for you?
I thought I didn't like coconut water because I didn't like it in the cans you bought back in England. This is the proper
Oh,
stuff,
you can't
isn't
compare a can of coconut water to the
No,
proper
but
stuff.
well, I've never had the proper stuff. It's lovely.
It's lovely. Building the house. She's building the house.
A cow. Your banana tree.
Not the bananas.
Someone's taking your bananas.
Bananas.
Somebody, look what they cut it off.
The little buggers.
Now it's fast, eh?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Got to investigate this.
Let me just see if they...
Somebody stole his bananas.
We have to find the bananas to
Find the bananas, Edward. Did they steal them? Oh. Somebody's stolen his bananas.
Maybe it's the monkeys, huh?
Ah.
Those monkeys are very clever nowadays.
Oh no. Breadfruit. Yes, I want to see what it looks like.
What is that?
Breadfruit.
What's breadfruit?
We ate it today, but you didn't eat it. It was
I
lovely.
think it comes from the Pacific, no? I think they brought it from the Pacific.
It's unusual.
Does it taste like bread?
What? So you've got thieves and monkeys. Damn.
It's a monkey.
It's a sugar apple.
No, that's a fruit.
Sugar apple's so delicious.
But it's just full, you know.
That's monkey teeth. Goddamn
There's
monkeys.
an actual monkey.
There's real monkeys, and they eat English women. Be careful, Liz.
Hopefully they'll go for you before me.
But I'm half monkey.
Yeah.
Oh, if there's a man down the road eating a big bunch of bananas, you know,
Keep your eyes peeled.
you're going a bit bananas over this. We're going to peel the mystery apart. The yellow, livered, bellied cowards.
Careful, don't slip on the skin. Can she have another puppy, Edward?
When it's enough, I think.
But look at him. Look at the relationship they've built together. All aboard.
Oh, I want all the animals. Oh, that puppy.
Bye, honey. Bye, honey. Bye, honey bunny.
Oh, my puppy.
Bye bye.
You don't know that?